Are you worried about keeping your home safe while you're away? It's so easy to feel overwhelmed with all the options out there. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best home security cameras that offer reliable protection without the complicated setup. Stick around and check out the links to all the products featured in the description below. Let's dive in. Starting at number 5 is the Google Nest Cam battery. Now, this one really grabs your attention. It's packed with built-in intelligence that can distinguish between people, animals, and vehicles, all without the need for a subscription. So no more constant alerts for every car that drives by. You'll get notifications straight to the Google Home app so you can stay in the loop no matter where you are. Imagine this. You're getting crystal clear 1080p HDR video with night vision. And on top of that, you get 3 hours of free event video history. And here's something that really adds peace of mind. If your Wi-Fi goes down or there's a power outage, it stores up to an hour of recorded events. How cool is that? What really sets this camera apart is its versatility. You can place it inside or outside your home because it's battery powered. The magnetic mount makes installation super easy. No need for a pro to come set it up. If you're already a Google Home user, this camera will fit into your setup seamlessly, giving you hands-free streaming on compatible smart displays. It's all about convenience. But let's be honest, no product is perfect. While most users find it simple to install, some have experienced a few connectivity hiccups that can be frustrating. And if you've got a high-traffic area, the battery life might not last as long as advertised. Plus, if you're an existing Nest user, you'll need the Google Home app, as it doesn't work with the older Nest app. At number 4, we've got the WYZE Cam V3, and let me tell you, this little camera packs a punch for the price. You get full 1080p HD live streaming with a feature that most cameras in this range don't offer: pan, tilt, and zoom capabilities, all controlled remotely via the WYZE app. Here's the cool part. The range of motion is seriously impressive. It can rotate a full 360-degree left-right and tilt 180 degrees vertically, which means you can keep an eye on every corner of the room. You can even set 4 predefined waypoints for automatic monitoring or turn on motion tracking that locks onto movement and follows the action as it happens. It's like having your own personal security guard. Now get this. It has an IP65 weather resistance rating, so it works indoors and outdoors, though you'll need a separate power adapter for outdoor use. And for night footage, it doesn't disappoint. Color night vision captures footage in conditions up to 25 times darker than what traditional cameras can manage. What really stands out to users is how smooth and quiet it operates. It moves silently and precisely, making it perfect for sensitive spaces like nurseries or quiet rooms. The value for money is unbeatable when you consider the features. However, the wired design can limit where you can place it compared to battery-powered cameras. And while most users love it, some report occasional connectivity drops, which means a reset might be necessary. Also, the WYZE app interface could use a little work. Some settings are tough to find or navigate. Taking the third spot is the Ring Stick Up Cam battery. And this camera really brings flexibility to your home security setup. Imagine being able to see, hear, and speak to anyone at your door, all from your phone, tablet, or even your Echo device. With the Live View feature, you can check in on your home anytime, no matter where you are, through the Ring app. Here's where it gets interesting. Installation is a snap. You can either place it on a flat surface or mount it to the wall using the included bracket. And if you want more coverage, you can easily connect multiple cameras to the Ring app for full surveillance. Setting it up is a piece of cake. Just pop in the battery pack, connect to Wi-Fi, and you're good to go. If you're an Alexa user, you'll love how seamlessly it integrates with voice commands. Plus, you can watch live feeds on Echo Show devices. Super convenient, right? The picture quality is generally clear and HD sharp, which works for most everyday purposes. However, if you're used to top-tier resolution, it might not meet those expectations. And when it comes to battery life, it can be a little hit or miss. You'll likely need to recharge every few weeks with moderate use, depending on your settings and how often the camera is triggered. One thing to keep in mind, to really get the most out of this camera, you'll need a Ring subscription to save recordings for up to 180 days. Without it, you'll only be able to do live viewing. As for motion detection, it's pretty good, but the default settings can be a bit too sensitive, which means you might get some extra alerts unless you adjust the sensitivity. What's your experience with the Ring stick-up cam? Any thoughts on the features or issues you've faced? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear what you think. At number 2, we have the Arlo Pro 5S 2K Spotlight camera, and this one really steps up the game in home security. If you're looking for premium monitoring, this camera delivers with 2K HDR video quality. It even connects to the stronger Wi-Fi band for a more reliable connection, which is a big win when it comes to stability. Now, let's talk privacy. Arlo puts you in control of your personal information, making sure your data stays safe. The Arlo Secure app gives you real-time motion alerts and lets you stream live video anytime. And if things get serious, you can even trigger the built-in siren remotely. How's that for peace of mind? What really sets this camera apart is the 12x zoom that lets you zoom in on important details like faces or license plates. And with color night vision and a 160-degree field of view, you won't miss a thing, whether it's day or night. Plus, if you're all about the smart home life, the Arlo Pro 5S works seamlessly with Amazon Alexa, Apple Home, and Google Assistant. And you can even set up IFTT automations like getting low battery alerts or turning on lights when motion is detected. That's some next-level convenience. But here's the deal. The Arlo Secure plan is pretty essential for fully unlocking the camera's potential, so you'll want to factor that into the cost. Some users have mentioned inconsistent connectivity despite the dual-band Wi-Fi, and the battery life can vary a lot depending on your settings and activity levels. Sometimes it doesn't last quite as long as advertised. At number 1, we've got the SimpliSafe SimpliCam. And if you're looking for a top-tier home security solution, this one's a winner. This wired indoor camera gives you a complete view of your home with a 120-degree field of view, 1080p HD resolution, and night vision to keep an eye on things day or night. Here's where it gets interesting. The SimpliSafe app sends you instant alerts when it detects motion, meaning you can see what's happening and take action right away. And if you've got a SimpliSafe security system already in place, you're getting award-winning 24/7 protection that covers your whole home. That's peace of mind right there. But what really sets this camera apart is the video verification feature. This allows monitoring agents to verify a break-in, getting you priority police dispatch. A big deal when seconds matter. And let's not forget the two-way audio. You can talk directly to anyone in your home, whether it's a family member or an unwanted guest, making it clear that they're being watched. For those privacy-conscious folks, the stainless steel privacy shutter ensures the camera only activates when you want it to. It's all about control and privacy. A few things to consider. While the SimpliCam is fantastic indoors, it doesn't have the weatherproofing for outdoor use. Plus, the wired design does limit where you can place it compared to battery-powered alternatives. Some users have also reported occasional Wi-Fi connectivity issues, especially in homes with complex layouts or walls between the camera and the router. Now you know which cameras deliver real results. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest product reviews. Check the description below for links to all the cameras mentioned. Thanks for watching!